Hi everyone, I'm Gabriella, Head of Education at Glam Seamless, and today I'm going to be showing you our amazing Invisi clip-in extensions. I'm going to share all my tips and tricks to get big, voluminous hair. So I want to start off by showing you these clip-ins. You can see that it looks just like a tape-in. They lie super flat, so if you want to wear your hair in a ponytail or a bun, an updo, they're so seamless you can't even tell that they're in. They come in 7 different pieces. They are 100% human Remy hair, and you can see that they are full from root all the way to tip. I love them because it almost just looks like it's a tape-in in your hair. You can wear it in between your tape-ins as well. You get 7 different pieces. You can see that they come in different lengths. A longer 3-piece, longer 5-piece. You get 4 that have 2 clips, and a 4-piece. So let's get started. I section the hair and get a nice clean section and clip the rest of my hair out of the way. I'm going to take our Glam Seamless tail comb and tease the root so that the extensions have something to go into. So I'm going to be first starting with the 3-clip extension on the bottom 2 inches from the nape. I'm going to open up all the clips and stick the clips right into the teased hair. It's super easy because you just push and they close. And then I'll take my hair down for my next section. I'll go up about another inch and then another inch above that one. Again, I'm going to tease the hair. Now I'm using the 5-clip extension. This way I can get all the way around my head. You can just stick it in and you press. And then I take my next section. Not everyone is going to need a full set of clip-ins for their head to get that voluminous look. People with thinner hair won't need as many pieces. So I'm going to finish my back with our last 5-piece clip-in. I'm going to move on to my sides. Again, I want to stay about 2 fingers away from the hairline and also 2 fingers up. And it's okay if you have to go towards the back of your head if you have a smaller side of your head. And I'm going to use the 2-clip extension on my side. And then 1 more piece on the side. So if you have super fine hair or if you need to make sure that your hair is going to last all night long, you can use dry shampoo and you can spray it at the root just like this. This will give you a little bit more grit. This way the extensions can really hold. And then I would still go in and still tease the hair. And even if you just want a pop of color or a little bit of fullness, you don't have to use an entire pack of clip-ins. You can order our 2-piece or 4-piece pieces individually. This way you can just add color, add a little bit of volume, and you don't necessarily need the whole head of hair. And lastly, I'm going to do my last side. Again, I'm going to use the dry shampoo. This way it really stays in because my sides are a little bit more fine than the rest of my hair. Since I part in the middle, that's why I'm able to put equal amounts of hair on each side. But if you part to the side, you might feel like you need an extra one on one of your sides. And again, just teasing, really making sure that the extensions don't slip, they don't fall out. Before I go ahead and style, I'm just going to show you what the extensions look like without styling and without trimming them. You might want to bring your extensions into our Soho location. This way we can custom cut them to your hair so that you get layers and fullness. This way they're extra seamless.